In this video I will show you that how you can change the color of something or anything in Photoshop. This image we will use for this video. So if I press Ctrl plus plus, we can zoom the image, then press and hold space. I will move it here. Like here you can see in this image there are different leaves. So if we want to select the leaves, so what we can do, we can select any selection tool. I will use quick selection tool for this purpose and will select this green leaf. Now there you can see here different tools. So one of them is here, that is called color replacement tool. Just select that tool, this tool, and select whatever the color you want to apply. Like red we want to apply, so select red and then click OK. And when you select color replacement tool with these mid brackets, which you can see with the press with the P key on your keyboard, like left bracket you can reduce the size of the tool, and with the right bracket key you can increase the size. So now just see, draw here, and you can see the color of the leaf has been changed. Now it is red. Same thing here, if you want to change the color, like select this leaf, then select color replacement tool, and then select any color, for example orange. See, so it will change the color. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like the video and also leave your comment, and also share the video with your friends. Thank you very much.